Okay, so my last video kind of got cut off, and I'm sorry about that, but I'm going to explain this one more time so that you all can understand how to graph it. So, first, you would start off by just drawing your actual graph, which is your X and Y axis. And then, so you would look at the first ones, you would plot your vertical asymptotes that you see. So our vertical asymptotes are X cannot be 6 and X cannot be 3. So you would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You would plot that vertical asymptote, and then you would go to -3. I'm so sorry about that. You would go to -3, and you would plot that vertical asymptote, which is right there. And then you would plot your horizontal asymptote, and your horizontal asymptote is 2, so you would go here, plot that. I'm sorry if it's hard to see. And then you're ready to graph after you put your dots where your x-intercepts are. So there's an x-intercept at 0, and you know that 0 is an even multiplicity, so it would bounce there. And then there's another one at -5, which is right here. So that one crosses because it's not even multiplicity. So now you're ready to graph. You know that looking at your info wave, you're above the x-axis beyond 6 because the equation overall is positive. So that means you would start over here, and I'll redraw it for you all. And you just keep continuing going up because you cannot go past these asymptotes because there's not a point that crosses. So you would draw that, and that's how you do that one. You have to keep it stupid simple. So you would just draw this line because you can't go past any x-asymptotes, and you have to be above the x-axis. Now, starting over here, they're side by side and not opposite from each other because it's an even multiplicity. 0 is an even multiplicity, so it bounces and it's the same. So now you would start at the top, and you know that you have to bounce off of 0, which means you have to cross this asymptote, but it doesn't go through the x-axis, it bounces off the x-axis, so it would have to go back up, approaching in positive infinity. You know that this -3 is not an even multiplicity, so they're opposite from each other. And you see that after -3, you're below the x-axis. So you would start below down here, and then you would draw it. And you would have to cross at -5 because it's not an even multiplicity, but you can't go past this intercept, this horizontal asymptote, because there's not a point that you can cross through. So it would have to be approaching infinity, and that's how you get your graph. Sorry that it got cropped out, but that's how you do it. And thanks for watching.